Welcome to Arizona. Nature everywhere, hidden gems, interesting things, scrub trees, brush, lots of animals, critters, varmints, poisonous stuff. What we're looking at right now is a mountain of green earth. I wouldn't say a mountain, more of a hill. You can see that there is tracks in this roadway here. Fresh ones, fresh-ish. Off in the distance there, the earth is green. It's times like this I wish I would have paid more attention in geology class. Take a look at that. Just amazing colorations. The way the erosion works. There's a mound on top. The sides fall, the cliffs are there, and then the mounds of the green earth around it. You see the cactuses and such growing on it. Cacti, not sure if it's cactuses. Definitely a dedicated driveway with the rock barriers on the left and right sides. Some migrating rocks found their way on top of this big boulder. Glass bottles, trash and debris. Apparently everywhere you go in Arizona, people think that's okay. It's not. Just a very cool natural feature in Arizona. I've driven this road many, many times over the years, and I always see it off to the side as I go north or south. Just thought I'd stop and take a peek. I don't see trespassing signs that you can read. I'm assuming that's what that one is right there. Definitely not going to go any further. Just wanted to pop in, take a look at nature. Just some of the trees and things over here. Maybe we'll run into a snake or a scorpion, tarantula. Wild human. Jumping cactus. We've mentioned it a few times in the broadcast. If you get close enough, it's almost like they jump off onto you, attach themselves to your clothing or to animals as they go by. Little nubs like that. You see little pieces all over the ground. The idea is that they fall off and stick to animals, and they get transported to different areas of the desert and get replanted. Palo Verde, always green. You see the stickage there. The trunk of the tree. Branch is always green. Thought I just heard something sneaking up on me. Beautiful desert. Get a chance to come to Arizona, definitely check it out. It's fun. Bring lots of sunscreen, bring lots of water. You may not think you need it, but you do. Little jumping cactus, probably from a piece that was dropped by an animal as it went by. Got moss on the rock, different colors. Need to get some scientific friends. Study this kind of stuff and tell us why. Now this one, you can see the rock used to be right there. Someone disturbed it and changed the direction of the moss. So being a person who enjoys nature, I'm going to put it back to where it belongs. There we go. Now you can see the moss is in the same direction as the rock down here. For whatever reason, that's directly north. piece of quartz. Look at this. Naturally occurring quartz. I was hoping there would be a big gold nugget in there, but I don't see one. Other part of Arizona is if you find something cool like this, don't take it with you. It's not yours. It belongs to the state and the people of Arizona, people of the United States of America, and the people of Earth. I'm going to place this rock gently over here on another north-facing moss rock. And someday we'll come back and check and see if it's still there. We'll put it right there. If you're ever at milepost 130 on Highway 93, you want to stop and look at the green earth. Several paces off the main trail there, you can find the moss rock with the natural quartz on it. It's like the Shawshank Redemption. I wonder if I got a nickel I can put under there. Come find some money. I guess not. Another big piece of quartz. Look at this one. That one's buried in there. That's pretty cool. I don't have my excavating gear. Oh, here's a small piece that's come off of it right here. Or is that part of it? Oh, yeah. That's really cool. Of course, in the field, when you do rock stuff, if you don't have any gear with you, saliva seems to work pretty good sometimes. Clean it up. Don't have to watch while I do that. There you go. Look at that. Beautiful. We'll put you back. We're going to put you right next to this green rock. Now this to me looks like it's been broken off of whatever that is over there. Very similar color. Very cool looking rock. Put you back where you were. Cowpie rock. Different erosion patterns of the rocks. More jumping cactus. Seem to do really well out here. This big guy. Now the saguaros at this elevation, you don't see any here. Saguaros grow at a certain elevation. One of these days I'll learn what that number is so I can tell you about it. There's no saguaros here, but on this road, oh, there you go. Off in the distance, you can see a few over there in the higher elevations. There's a few naturally occurring saguaros right over there. So we're just low enough that this is not a saguaro area. You see the cliffs over there, saguaros, but none over here on this side. One more moss rock I'm gonna go take a look at right over here. Avoiding the cacti. It's got a lot of this moss on top, or lichen, or whatever it's called. Oh, you see some holes in the ground here. Certain animals burrow down and snakes move in. There's a lot on top of that rock. Don't want to touch it. Don't know if it's poisonous. Don't know if it's good for you. Don't know if it's the cure for whatever ails you. Again, I should bring my scientific friends out with me. Arizona, nature. It's just waiting for you. Just come on out and check it out. I love Arizona. I love the desert. I like sharing it with you. If you like what you see, hit the like button, subscribe, tell a friend, share it with someone. Check out our video on Nothing, Arizona. Little town on the same highway, ghost town. Used to be something, now it's nothing. Actually, I think it's always been nothing, even though it was something. Yeah, you do the math. There's another one of those green rocks down there. Very cool. See if we can find anything else here on our way out. It's just interesting how some of them stick out of the ground like that. I guess it's on top of the earth. Maybe it was moved there by something. Some kind of cricket or something making noise over here. Trying to see if I can find a desert cricket. Oh well. Again, thank you for watching. See you next time. More nature and trash right here. Cash or crash. We're gonna zoom in one more time. Awesome green rocks, green formation, nature.